morning, students. Children, think of a day when there is heavy rainfall. Have you seen that slowly, if it is raining for hours, slowly you can see there is waterlogging. Waterlogging means water has collected maybe in your courtyard or your backyards, or maybe the garden you have in front of your house, or maybe it is the road. Slowly, if it is raining very heavily, as it happened this year, when it rains for maybe 3-4 hours heavily, slowly there is water coming up and maybe you have knee-deep water. Children, this is when there is an alarm of flood. What is flood? When there is heavy rainfall for many days, slowly all the water bodies, they start filling up and the level of water rises, and slowly this water comes inside the villages, enters the villages, or maybe the cities, or maybe the towns. So it is not only that it is due to heavy rainfall. Sometimes it is so that when there is tsunami, the level of, as we discussed, that the level of water in the seas also rises, and it happens that it is entering the houses or the villages or the towns and the cities and washing away the things. So in this way it can be also due to cyclones. Now how cyclones? When there is a cyclone, there is strong wind, and slowly, children, it starts raining and there is heavy rainfall. So as you know that the cyclone, actually this is due to the hot, the hot wind and the cold wind and the high pressure in the sea. So what happens when there is heavy rainfall? The sea level again goes, the water level goes up and it starts entering, and due to heavy rainfall it starts raining, and the water level going up and entering the villages and washing away. Due to flood, actually, children, it happens that the life, as I told you, the animals die because they cannot be shifted. Large, there is forest, so animals are in the water. If there is even your farm, even the domestic animals, how many animals can you shift? So they are washed away many a times. These domestic animals, the cattle, they die because of flood. There is loss of property, like the roads are broken. Sometimes the kacha roads are washed away. The houses, they are damaged, and then there is the kacha houses or the temporary houses are also heavily damaged. Even the bridges and all these buildings or the construction work are damaged. Moreover, due to flood, there is the power supply is affected, because if there is water, naturally there will be short circuit, people will die due to this electrocution in the water. So the water supply, the electric supply has to be stopped, and there is no power, there is no electricity in the houses and the buildings, and the people suffer a lot, isn't it? There is no lights and fans, not any electronic gadgets or electrical appliances running. There is water everywhere, water has entered your houses. You must have seen many a times, this year in the monsoon, you have seen in Gujarat, there was flood in some areas like Mehsana and Rajkot, and they showed in the news channels that how the houses are, these people are living in knee-deep water. I have seen they are cooking food where there is water till their knees, okay, or maybe till their this submerged, their crops are damaged. Not only this, the fields are, means the water is entering the fields, crops are damaged. So sad, the crops are damaged, and so you can understand how much hard work the farmers have given, and that is all lost, all gone. And so the rise of prices of these essential commodities in this way, flood has a serious effect on the life of people. Moreover, because the water which is entering the houses, and all water bodies are overflowing, so they come and enter the cities, so you have this sewage water mixing with those river water, so the water is polluted. The water is polluted, and drinking water is not at all in a proper condition to consume it. So there are diseases like cholera, and you have diarrhea, dysentery, and all this. And this is because of this contaminated water. Even there is waterlogging, so you have even diseases because mosquitoes are breeding, and you have the diseases like dengue and malaria also, because it is all dirty, everything water, and the roads are not clean, the houses are filthy, and so these diseases can cause. So as I told you that it occurs when a river or a stream overflows its bank and the water spreads to the surrounding areas. Flood generally occurs when there is heavy rainfall. It can be not only rainfall, it can be cyclone, it can be tsunamis, it can be landslides, it can be those blizzards and all that, and they cause damage to life, property, and the crops are destroyed. Diseases are caused like cholera, malaria, dysentery, dengue, and it's a natural disaster, so we don't have any hands on it. Yes, some corrective measures we can take, but the government is taking some corrective measures which we are going to discuss in the next module. Okay, thank you children.